Like today, this one's now a customer from Nigeria, Abuja. This one is going. This is some children's summer mix, 2 to 10 to 12 years. This one is going, leaving for Nigeria, Abuja precisely. And then we're also sending one to a customer here in UK who wants to open and sell in retail. So to tell you, so you will be surprised to know that this is also sold here, retail here in the UK. It's only for export. The customer also wants to sell it, buy and sell, open and sell here in the UK. So we have, and then we're also expecting other customers, some from Ibadan, Nigeria, Kaduna, and then even Enugu. They want to come and place. I'm expecting their orders. Massive, large scale. Who wants to even be distributors?